Hey guys, you speak English? Can I take a portrait of you, of one of you? It's for a project I'm working on. Sounds good? Yeah.
No problem, bro.
That's okay. Perfect. Now, could you turn a little bit to your right? That way, feet as well. Yeah, yeah, perfect. That's great. Chin down a little bit. Amazing.
My biggest dream is to travel all my life, basically. I would like to do all the continents, and so that's my project of life, and it's going to be like 25 years just to do that. So I hope I have time to do it, and I would love to do it, to meet all the people all around the world.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear, I think it's more difficult to say. Obviously, not to manage to do my dream, but if I have to think about something, I would say to be forgotten. Yeah, forgotten. So I know I'll be forgotten for the majority of the people of the world, but you know, like my family, my friends, and my little world, one time it's gonna be finished and like it's never happened. And so yeah, I hope it stay a bit longer. That's it.
What would you say is your best quality? This is a question that's from another person.
My best quality, I think it's my ability to talk to people, to be connected with them, like empathy. I don't know if it's the word in English, but in French it's empathie. That's it.
And what would you ask the next person?
What is your favorite person?
Hey guys, can I take a portrait of one of you or both of you? It's for a project I'm working on.
Oh, with pleasure.
So I'll take a photo together. I'll take a photo together and then individually.
Okay.
Sounds
no
good?
Problem.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
Okay. Here we go. One sec. There we go. Perfect. What's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to finish my studies and travel.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear... Does it have to be like a real fear? Because I'm really scared of clowns, and I think that's my biggest fear.
Amazing.
Voilà. My biggest fear is
what's
clowns.
your favorite pizza topping?
Hawaiian pizza.
Awesome. What's your biggest dream?
So my biggest dream is to own my own farm, to have a lot of cows, and that's it.
What is your biggest fear?
What's my biggest fear? That's a real question. I don't know, sir.
Awesome. And when's the last time you were happy?
2 minutes ago.
Amazing. What is the question you'd like to ask the next person?
Do you ever felt love?
Hey man, do you speak English?
Yeah, a little bit.
Can I take a portrait of you? I really like your style and everything.
The picture?
Yeah, photo.
Ah, why not, yeah.
Perfect. So what's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream, I think, is to associate the Asian dishes and the Belgian beer. For the moment, I study beer here, and it's very cool for the moment. So if I can, why not? That's it. To work, if I have to work, to travel to the maximum. Yes.
And what's your
That's
biggest
it.
fear?
My biggest fear, I think, to the human, you know. The human sometimes is very pity to meet them, but it's very cool to meet them too, yeah. But I don't know. Sometimes it's human, too simple, yeah.
And this is a question that comes from the last person. And they asked, have you ever been in love? Like true love?
The true love? Well, I don't know. I don't have. It's difficult to have a response to this question, but
Okay.
my big love when I play this game, like Street Fighter or Guilty Gear, yes. But about the people, yeah, sometimes I like to ride alone, yeah.
And what's a question you'd like to ask the next person?
Next paragraph for the question.
Can be
If this person, the animal, you know, if this person want to be, if
okay. So if the person was
wants
to be an animal,
yeah, yeah, simple. Why not? That's cool.
that's perfect.
Yes.
What's your
Alright.
biggest dream?
My biggest dream is actually the now, because like that's all we have, and I love what I'm doing. I am living my passion. I am dancing. I'm traveling, and I couldn't wish for anything more. But of course, I wish to keep evolving, and I wish to be happier and happier, and to really be in the present. That's my focus.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is actually to injure myself. Since my body is my instrument, and that's what gives me so much freedom, and I know that it's so powerful but also really fragile at the same time. So I do my best to take care of it, but also I like taking risks. So with those risks there comes a fear of always like failing or falling, and of course we get back up, but yeah, it comes with some fears. So.
If you were a country, which country would you be?
Ooh, good question. I think I would be Belgium because it has a lot of cultures in it, and I'm quite versatile. So I think I'm where I belong, and it's like a good base to then travel a lot. So I think I'm proud to be Belgian.
And what's a question you'd like to ask the next person?
What is something that you really want to do, but that has been holding you back? Like, what has been holding you back from doing your biggest dream?